Thanks, Renato. Leaders Montego Bay United will be at home to Chapelton Maroons as all 7 matches in the Wray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League will be played on Sunday. With 4 wins and a draw from their last 5 matches, Montego Bay United are the most consistent of the 14 teams in the Premier League over that period. Chapelton Maroons are running close with 3 wins and a loss in 5. The Clarendon-based team could be boosted by the fact that MBU have only won once in 4 matches at Jarrett Park. However, Chapelton must improve their away record as they are 9th when it comes to travelling. Second-placed Racing United will be at the Ferdinita Park to face third-placed Portmore United. Only 2 points separate the two, who have recorded 8 wins apiece. Caribbean champions Mount Pleasant FA, who have 5 games in hand, are slowly closing the gap on the front runners. They are the best defensive team in the league and their home record isn't bad either, as they are yet to taste defeat on home soil. Arnett Gardens will travel to Stets, where they will face Treasure Beach, who pulled off a Houdini act on Thursday with a 4-3 win over Harbour View. The Stars of the East were leading 3-0 up to the 54th minute when Treasure Beach started the comeback. It's a story which requires Arnett to pay attention. It's left to be seen if Harbour View are still dizzy from that defeat. The answer will come away to Dunbeholden. The Stadium East doubleheader will see the improving Malines United taking on Cellar Dwellers Spanish Town Police in the early encounter. They will make way for title holders Cavalier, who will face Tivoli Gardens at 5:30. Cavalier looked to be in trouble earlier in the season, but they have now settled and 3 wins from their last 5 outings says it all. Tivoli have lost more games than they have won and could again be left to pick up the pieces.